Oh yeah. Throwing my boat.
Getting ready to throw in this other rear axle. Working on the U-bolts. We got tires off, brake lines broken because we broke it trying to take it off.
Brake line's off.
It's currently clamped with 2 vice grips.
It's off though.
Drive shaft disconnected. Working on U-bolts, get this one dropped, and this one back in. I'm making him do all the work when it comes to the U-bolts though.
You know what? It was just that first one that was like really bad. I wish we were recording for that one.
Yeah.
It was like it was like literally like quacking, dude. That thing did not want to come off. So now we're ready to go to this side, see if we can get these broken loose. I don't have any replacements, so the plan is to reuse these, which is a terrible idea. Shouldn't do that, but it's also free. So
And when does this truck need to be able to roll again?
Tonight. It's like 9 o'clock. Yeah, I do wheelies part-time.
Yeah, part-time wheelies. We're not very good at it. Oh, we're going to lose both Red Bulls. I mean, not Red Bulls.
We're losing the truck off the stands, too. Holy fuck, what is it?
That one ain't supporting no weight.
There we go. Might have, you gotta just, like, put it all on your back when you pull. Just like, come off and I smoke my nuts. Oh my god, dude.
I'd say it's like brand new.
Yeah. I can't believe I'm gonna reuse these. There we go. Oh yeah. That's what you want to hear.
On the plus side, you no need to worry about that bolt coming off coming down the road.
Yeah, that's true. You know, it's hard for bolts to come loose when they're rusted solid.
When it is one with the U-bolt.
Yeah. No, I worked on plenty of Chevys that are like that. Everything becomes one with the Chevy. Man, is it hot in here or is it just me?
It's not you.
So I'm heating up these actual threads right here that go into the bolt. You really want to heat that up instead of just putting all this heat on the bolt right here. This will help break it free a lot better. So we're not even putting like that crazy amount of heat into it. It's literally just like a little propane tank and then a little cheap torch adapter for it. I mean, look at that. Look how much easier that broke free. Can't do quite with my bare hands, but I got this super good deal on a trailer. It was like off of like the bed was off like a C10, C20, and it was in like fairly decent shape. Obviously not for a dually, but the plan is that it'll hopefully work enough, or we can massage it enough to make it work to fit on the dually platform. So I got that bed, it's sitting outside, it's attached to a trailer, but it actually worked out pretty good. So I got the thing for, what was it, 300 bucks?
Yep.
So I paid 300 bucks for it. When those beds are going for like $1,000 is what I've seen. 800 bucks at the absolute cheapest. And it's in pretty solid shape. It's like 3 different colors, but like it's three different colors of paint like stacked on top of each other. A bunch of Bondo, there's like some small rust holes, but like overall it's pretty solid. There we go.
Yeah, that's the before and the after on the threads.
So a little bit. Oh, it's just gonna fucking pull. I saw it. I was like, yeah, it's gonna fall. Alright, it's out. That's gonna be really slow. Alright, so now we got the hole we're in dropped out, got it sitting over here. So there's gonna be some stuff I'm gonna steal from this, like these brake lines. Gonna steal that. They should work on that. So now it's just a matter of I'm gonna throw the cover on it temporarily. I'm not putting fluid in it right now.
Were you talking? My bad.
Yeah, I was. I haven't seen anybody move a jack like that before.
Dude, it's the best way to do it.
Alright, so it ended up actually working out great. So these bolt holes, the center holes on each of the perches for the leaf springs, on both the old rear end and this new rear end, were both 40 inches hole to hole. Now he's getting all the surface rust off them, and then we're gonna get these the U-bolts put back in, get everything kind of lined up with these two jacks right here. So the only thing that's not really lining up right, brake lines. Our brake lines really don't line up. So we tried makeshifting some stuff to make it work, but we couldn't get anything. So right now we're just cleaning up all the surface rust. All right. Oh wow, thank you. So it's in. It actually ended up lining up perfect. So hole to hole for the perches, these center holes, it was 40 inches. I think I talked about that last time we were recording. But drive shaft, U-joints kind of connect, good enough for now. But it's on the ground, differential works, there's no fluid in it, so you can't drive it. Also, no brakes back here, obviously. But we got everything else bolted up. We still need to tighten the U-bolts now that it's on the ground, but everything else lined up pretty good. Didn't have to mess with the drive shaft at all. Like, everything lined up pretty good. It's actually a pretty straightforward swap, going from this old Eaton HO52 to this new full float 14 bolt.